So hi everyone, today we'll see how to regularly delete or unwanted mails or obsolete emails from your inboxes. Okay. So generally we see your inbox is full, so we cannot able to send or receive any emails from your email boxes, etc. So it is a very good practice, the huge mails which are there, so you should delete from your inboxes. So always you have to see what kind of mails you are sending to any recipient or sender, so that the size cannot be more than what exactly your email server will hold. So always you have to see if mailbox is full, so there are chances the mail will bounce back to your email again. So always you have to see the mail, the size of the mail content with large size should be deleted immediately, so that a new mails will come regularly to your inboxes. Thank you.